Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 8 video for building unsupervised machine learning project, and it is iris classification project. And then also this is not this is a half continue video, because the reason I cut it through into half one video because it is too long to be for one video. So for that reason I just cut it into half and I'm just uploading in different part. But no worries, I'm just going to upload those videos, this video and the past that video in 1 day, so you can just going to get it so fast. And that's the reason I cut it into half. And I'll in this video I'll going to continue from the half part video I cut it through up to the last one. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope so. But the unsupervised machine learning is trying to do classified, but it doesn't know the label is stand for. I hope that makes sense. And we just say here in the real data here, we know what these numbers stand for, but we don't know this one. So we just use this kinds of data if that help us to see. I hope that makes sense what I'm just talking about. But the unsupervised machine learning is doing like this, just classified with different class with numbers. Maybe I don't know, you can also do with strings, but it will go into classified it, but the classified it are not known. Why is that? For example, if we give a bunch of dog photos and if we give another cat photos, and if we wanted to know the difference between the cat and dog picture, but if we don't give the label name, and if in somehow if the algorithm is figure out the difference between the dog and the cat, and it just output like these numbers, those different, and that number will going to be have any meaning that tells the photo is cat or dog, but it will going to tell those photos have some different, and that's also what it is doing here. I hope this makes sense, this example. And now we see, but let's try to score it. We know it will going to be have a big low, high loss and low accuracy. So let me just import from scikit-learn. Sorry, scikit-learn dot matrix. I think the freaking for classification, I think it is F1 score, maybe R2 score. I don't know. I don't have a big understanding about score in scikit-learn. I know how the losses work, but I forgot which syntax is to use. Okay, let's score it. So we can just say score, or we can just say F1, and we can just print it out here. We can also give some variable name, and we can print it out those variable whenever we want, but we can just only want to see it, so we don't have to do that. So the y true is going to be y, and the y hat will going to be y hat. Yeah, so we can use y hat here. So if we run this one, I hope it will going to print it out. Okay, we got error. Okay, I think, yeah, that is what I just said. We have to use, I think, R to score meter. Okay, and let me run this one. Okay, as you can see, it's negative. I think, you know what, I think I have some error. Maybe it is F2. Yeah, I think R is for regression. Let me just see. That's, yeah, it is for regression. So this is we have to use F2. F1, I'm sorry. If you do command entity, it will going to select the same syntax with the downside if you're using Visual Studio. So it is a lifesaver. And let's see what error we got here. Okay, I think it is because this one is data frame, so let's change it to numpy. Okay, let me run this one. Okay, we still get an error. I still not get it. Okay, I will come back after I figure out. Okay guys, I'm back, and I think it is because this F1 score, I don't know, but by default it is for binary scoring meter. I think that's why. So we can change it that by doing some kind of adjusting. So we can change this average with instead of micro. Yeah, it's as you can see here, by if we not take anything, we will going to be binary, so we can use macro, so it will going to help us for our specific problem. So you can say average equal to macro. Let's see if that work. Yep, it work. And can you use micro? All right. I think it is accuracy, maybe. I don't know how this work. Macro, maybe. Let's see this one. We can learn this in the website, but basically I will going to have to be a low number, because we can just see like this one. And if you like to know about this stuff, you can go back and watch it in the website in their cycle learn metrics. But this is basically the explanation in building a project is looks like. And this also is the last part video. I hope see you in the next video. Hope so. So see you there. Bye.